We are going to learn how to build a combo chart. Okay, so this is a combo chart, and then if you look at this, we are going to make use of this information here to build something like this. Now here in the drop down menu box, any value or any parameter that we select will give us the graph of that parameter. So if we select transport, this gives us the chart of the transport. If we select internet, it gives us the chart of the internet. If we select agriculture, it gives us the chart of agriculture. Okay, so we are going to build something like this, and to do that I am going to copy this data. I'm going to copy this data. So open this, and then I will paste it somewhere here. Okay, and then the next is I will also copy the reference. Okay, and then paste the reference. So paste the reference in this place. Okay, so here is the reference. Don't mind this, we are going to solve this problem. So here is our data. So it is this data we are going to use to create our chart. Okay, so with this data now, these are random numbers. They are random numbers, and then you know how to create a random number. So you just use the run between 1,000 and then 10,000. You will be able to generate that. I can also select between 999, okay, and then 999, and also 99999. Okay, so these are also different numbers. So this is the range, top and bottom, so it can't exceed more than that. So if you watch here, it's between this range. If I still drag it from here to here, it will then populate it. Okay, so this is the numbers, and here we are going to also work on this place. So I will delete this, and then this also I will delete. I am going to delete this. Okay, so we have from 2001 to 2015. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to go to developer command, or developer menu, and then when you click on developer menu, you will now see different commands that are there in the developer menu. Now click on insert and then select combo boss. So here we are going to draw our combo boss, and then once you draw it, you right click on it and then click format control. So under the range, you click on this and select this. So these are our range, and then the cell link here, you click on this. So we are going to use this as the cell link. Okay, so and then check this 3D shading. So that's the first thing. So if you drop down here now and you click electric, you see one appears here. This is for electric, and then if you click on transport 2, transport is 2 here, and if you click internet 3, and then you click agriculture 4. Okay, so that's the first thing you do. Okay, so we have worked on this. Then the next thing, we need to use index function. Index. Okay, so here we are selecting the array, so the reference. So we are referencing with this information, and then comma. So here is the reference that we will use. Okay, so we click. Okay, so now you see 4 is agric, and then we have also in this place electric, which is number 1, and then internet number 2. Okay, and then the information here, we are going to use a HLOOKUP command. Okay, HLOOKUP. Okay, HLOOKUP. Sorry, HLOOKUP. And then for this HLOOKUP, we have a lookup value. So our lookup value in this place is 2001, which is C16, and then we put comma, and then we have the table array. So this is a parameter, so this is our table array. Okay, and then the row index. So the row index in this place is this. Okay, then but if you watch this row index, this is 3. Here we have how many information, or how many cells here? 5 cells. 1 2 3 4 5, but here the maximum output is 4, so we are going to put +1. The reason why we add +1 is because of these empty cells here. So but in this we are going to use an absolute reference. Okay, and then after that, then exact match, we choose exact match. Okay, so we click enter. So this is the value we have for internet. You see internet 9142. So we now drag and then populate it. So for internet, you see it, the same value we have here is the same value we have here. Okay, so here if you now check transport, we have this, and then agriculture, we have this. Okay, so that is how to create this. Then the next is now to plot the chart. So in order to plot the chart, we just highlight every information here. Just highlight this information in this place. Highlight information here, go to insert, and then recommended chart. So we use this. Okay, so we select it and then add. So expand. Okay, so if we select transport, so this is for transport. If you select bill, this is for bill. If you select agriculture, this is for agriculture. So you can also format this chart more. Okay, if you want to format the chart more, so you right click and then click on format. So here I'm going to use 3D format. So for 3D format, I'll just use something like this. Okay, this 3D format. You can now change the color to solid color, and then here you can use any color of your choice. Okay, orange, and then we're going to go back to 3D with reduced width 2.5. 3. Okay, so that's how to create it. So you see for this internet 3. So here we are going to close it. Okay, and then just use white color. Okay, so it's not visible. So electric, internet, and agriculture. So everything is working fine. I hope you can do this. So try to apply this with any information you've created